Welcome to a new video of Party World. Today I'm going to show you a calendar web app we had made in a Google App script and what are things it contains and what are the features and the key features it has. We're going to discuss about it today. So this is a calendar, regional calendar you can say. From the three dot menu, you can click the force refresh engine. It will just delete everything, what are things you have saved on it. This is to dictate your exact location to get the details of your own Tithi or your own sunset or sunrise if you want to get it exactly in your location. So you have to click detail exact location. And also if you want to send any PDF or print of the month or anything, you can just click from here, export as PDF or print. And this is the light or dark theme. From here you can go to the light theme. And if you don't want any light theme, you can click in the dark theme and you can choose the dark theme also from the settings. And from here it also has 12 languages options, like you can see here how beautifully it is showing, like Hindi, Bengali, Telugu. So there are different languages according to your own mother tongue. You can choose the language. Its default language will be the English. And here you can see the Panchang also, the sunrise, sunset, Nakshatra. Then after you can select the Muhurat. Then after the Rashifal, so it will show you a message, a prosperous message to you. Then after holidays, if there will be any holidays, it will show the holidays. If not, there will be not showing any holidays to you. Just click on a 1 second calendar. You can see like if you want to change the months also you can change from here. So this is a regional calendar, and if you want a customized web app for your own business or for your own websites or anything, if you need any customization or any new web app or a website, you can directly contact to the partyworld.in through WhatsApp. And if you want to have this calendar, just go to any web browser and click partyworld.in. The website will open. After that, go to the site marketplace and go to store. In the store, go to the regional calendar, which is free of cost. You can try demo video. It will show the YouTube video or try demo. And if you want to get it, just click get now and write your full name, WhatsApp number, and email address and click get it now. And if you have any further questions or any customization you needed in your own web app, the charges will be different. Then the charges are present here in the website. You can directly contact us through the WhatsApp here. So thank you for watching this video and give your love and support in the video. And if you need any improvement in this video or what type of web apps or websites you want to see, you can write in the comment box. Thank you.